Review hub. Brand name, ABIR. Power, W500W. Weight, 3 to 6 kilograms. Voltage, V110V, 240V. Number of operating modes, 1 to 2. Battery type, Li-ion. Turbo brush, yes. Dust box capacity, L0.6 to 1L. Filter type, Cyclone. Battery life, 40 minutes. LCD, yes. Cleaning route, plan type. Bag or bagless, bagless. Cord length, M wireless. Timing reservation, no. Remote control, no. Special suction nozzle, cleaning brush. Dust storage type, dust cup. Installation, vertical/handheld. Certification, CB. Function, mopping and sweeping and suction type. Origin, Mainland China. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more video. Check description below for product link.